Guys, welcome to our channel. I'm the other co-host. I have a little bit of a thing here because I cut myself shaving, so that can happen sometimes, so be careful out there when you shave. So I bought something interesting on Amazon. Let me just open this guy. So what do you think it is? What did Tim buy?
So if I have my iPhone, you have that?
I have this one.
Let me see.
So this is the Oculus Quest. So this is a virtual reality headset. So you put it on and then you go into a different world. So maybe this is the last time you see me in the real world, baby. I'll put on this guy every day and I'll disappear into my own science fiction world, right? What do you think?
Yeah, let's try it.
Let's try it.
How you unbox that? You don't have the knife or...
Let me try and see. I think I can just...
You need...
I think I have... 1 second.
You need my help?
I think it's okay. I'm just trying to find the... There must be...
Oh, wow. This is your second vlog, huh?
Yeah, it's not my second vlog. I have many vlogs, baby.
Yeah, we have many vlogs, but it's
I'm
your
also
own
a star.
vlog, right?
I'm also a
You're the star now.
So when I start using this one, I'll start reviewing some games, and then I'll be a famous vlogger, baby, right? And then my videos will have more views than your videos.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so. But let's see. Let me find a little knife to stay. See, I'll stay there. Let's see here. What? Go. So when I was young, I used to read like science fiction books.
What's that?
Science fiction books.
Science fiction?
Like books about like, what will happen in the future. And they all talked about these kind of things, these kind of devices.
Mm-hmm.
And you put them on and you disappear into another world.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Okay. So.
Let's close. You want me to?
It's a nice box. Wow. Before you start, install the Oculus app. I already did that. That's good. No sunlight on lenses. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, fair enough.
What? No.
No sunlight on lenses. So now I need to. I think this is kind of.
I'm so excited to use that than my iPhone.
Yeah, it's exciting, right? So put this on and then.
Yeah. So guys, if Tim bought me an iPhone 11 Pro, and that one is my gift as well.
Yeah.
Early gift.
You put this guy on and then you tighten it, and then there's some controllers here as well we can use.
You know how to use that, or we need to read it first?
I'm super ignorant of this stuff. Yeah, right?
Of course, me too. It's my first time to. It will be our first time to use that.
Is it left? What?
Left, right, left, right.
Okay, let's try it.
Or maybe that's yeah.
Thank you guys. We'll try it now. I'll review some games later.
Let me see. Okay. Bye bye guys.
Bye.
It's okay.